What is going on, everyone? I hope you all are having a wonderful day. We're going to be heading into the weekend. If you're a football fan, there's the Super Bowl weekend on Sunday. Just wanted to create this video to share with you three microcap companies that are in the OTC market that I personally feel will add so much value to your investment portfolio. But before I begin though, I'd like to inform you that all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you do consider making an investment, please make sure to do your research. Now, before I begin sharing with you these stocks, I'd like to inform you that I do have an online merchandise store that I would highly recommend for you to check out. Let's say if you are an authentic subscriber to this channel where you really want to help add value to my personal branding, alliseeisW, which represents winning. It's opposite to losing, so it's the motto of gaining on positive proceeds and leading with an altruistic mindset. Now, also, I do have a link down below for Webull. Let's say if you don't have a trading app account where you'd like to get started with investing in the stock market, you could potentially gain 4 free stocks by using the link down below. So I'd highly suggest you leverage Webull as a trading account. Now let's get started. Now the first ticker I wanted to share with you is SKYE by the ticker SKYE. Now this company, I was recommending this ticker at 3 cents months back, and now it's up to like the 13 cents. The question is, will it continue bull running up? I firmly believe that in this year of 2021 alone, the share price can hover up vertically up to the whole dollar share price value if and when the company enters human clinical trials to test its pro-drug intended to be used for glaucoma patients dealing with blindness to bring down the intraocular pressure as well as providing neuroprotection. I firmly believe that this company can skyrocket up, and what this company uses is the science behind cannabinoids and modifying the molecule by adding amino acids so that it can travel through the eye and bind with your innate receptors within the eye, since we know that the eye has so much receptors for THC. So that's very unique, and we know that the data from 1960s onward, which demonstrates that smoking cannabis does reduce the intraocular pressure. However, by really focusing in on trying to get the drug product to focus in the eye and not provide the high effect, I feel like this company is going to be a breakthrough, bridging the gap between pharmaceuticals and cannabis. And what we know is that with the acquisition of GW Pharmaceuticals by Jazz Pharmaceuticals, that validates the whole approach to the use of cannabinoids. So the demand and attractiveness for SKYEbioscience has just increased by like tenfold, and that's why I highly recommend this ticker. Now the next ticker I wanted to share with you is BLSG. Now this company has focused on the niche of sports arena, where it has developed a tennis machine where it has artificial intelligence built in, as well as even having your phone be able to work with an app so that the machine is able to compete by learning from the individual tennis player. So let's say if I'm a tennis player and I don't have a buddy to play with during the day, well, I can purchase this machine and then be able to go out to a tennis court and then have that machine play against me and learn from me and be able to perform at the level that I'm at. And given the context of COVID-19 right now, it's very difficult to find a partner to be able to play tennis. And this really raises the bar with trying to improve your performance. And what I like about BLSG is the fact that this company has partnered up where it's going to start selling so much products into different countries. So for example, in the European markets, in Japan, just recently, February 4th, there's partnerships where the company will now be selling into the Russian market as well. So that just tells you that there's a significant demand increase for this company. And just listening to the CEO speak during the microcap conference, I firmly believe that its financials will continue to grow based on its forecasting projections. So that's why I firmly believe that the share price will skyrocket, possibly up to $10 to $20 coming very soon. And I actually parked some funds into this company as well after just researching the company and seeing the value that it can provide in the long run. Now, let's not lose sight of what BLSG can do for you. Now, the last ticker I wanted to share with you, one second. Make sure to get your coffee cup mug as well, is quantum computing in the OTC market by the ticker QUBT. Now, what's so unique about this company, right? Well, this company has a proprietary software called SKYE, where it's trying to focus on developing highly advanced, innovative cloud-based softwares to solve very complex problems that companies are actually dealing with in today's society. And the fact that this company can likely be the central hub where companies will depend on quantum computing, artificial intelligence, that just tells you that the dependency and the demand will increase for this type of company. And what we know is that a few weeks back, the CEO had initiated uplisting of quantum computing to upgrade itself from the OTC market to the NASDAQ market. And it takes about 4 to 6 weeks to receive a response. So we're getting towards that late phase where we shall hear some updates very soon. And from a share price standpoint, I was recommending this ticker when it was like at the $5 and it bull run up to 25. Currently, it's at the $14. The question is, can it bull run back up to its prior resistance, if not further? I'm forecasting that in the first half of this year, it can bull run up to 30. And the second half of the year, it can definitely get up to like $50 to $80. So I just wanted to share with you this very value add ticker play, QUBT. Now, overall, I hope that this video added value in the sense that it gave you new insight on very high value, hidden gem stocks that I feel can add so much value to your investment portfolio. And once again, thank you so much. And if you haven't done so, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content at alliseeisW. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. And I'd love to answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much and have a wonderful Super Bowl weekend all. Goodbye.